Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Sorry for the not posting lately. There's been a lot going on here in my world. For starters, just on all the updates of all the projects I got going on. The Accord, I have not posted the Accord because I have horrible news that I found out today. Won't go into details, but apparently the car got stolen. It was somewhere getting fixed, and long story short, it was stolen. However, it was found at a junkyard. So $650 has to be paid in order to get the Accord out. So yeah, it's been a long story on that. I have here, this is the Integra. I finally had time to get the block out of the car and get it on the engine stand. Better look at the crank here, which is messed up. So I'm just gonna pull the crank out really quick, clean up the block, throw the new crank in, the new bearings, the new oil pump, and throw it back together real quick. See if we can get this together. I'm gonna say this weekend, but who knows what happens. Yeah, so got a little Boosted Boys in the background as I do my work in my messy garage. Also got my LT 250R. I got it mostly stripped down completely. I'm going to go ahead and powder coat it. I got my new race cut fenders. I have to make another video on the update on that. But I got new fenders. I got all new bearings for the motor. What else did I get? I don't know. I'll figure it out in another video that I make, but I'm still working on that. Got a new bumper for the Integra. Picked it up for $40, brand new. So I can finish this little sucker here. Stuff done, and hopefully I get my car back, because I know most people that come to this channel, they're here because of the Accord that I'm building. So yeah, I'll know some information about that soon. So yeah, stay tuned and let's get to work. Little peek here at the bearings. They are a lot worse than I thought. I don't know if the clearances were too tight, but those suckers were getting eaten into pretty good. So yeah, it's a good thing I took everything out to check the crank. The only one that looks kind of good is right here, number 3. Oh, I forgot to take out the piston down there, but I'm sure this crank could get fixed. But for now, I'm just gonna take it out. Don't worry about doing anything with that. And this baby right here, I'll just throw that in there. That one looks good. But yeah, the crank is completely broken loose now. Just gotta take the other 2, well, 3 pistons out. These were just the journal bearings. I still got to check the rod bearings here. All right, I got the blocks completely stripped. Got the pistons out. The walls look pretty good. So I'm just gonna clean the block since I got it completely stripped. I'm just gonna use, for now, just some brake cleaner because that's all I have. Thought I had some engine degreaser, but for now, this should do. Yeah, that's all I have. So I got the bearings out. They're pretty messed up. So what I'm guessing what happened is that the oil pump was given out or gave out, and it was starved of oil, and all the bearings were getting messed up. So I'm gonna try to clean it up, get all this red gasket off of it, spray it down with this, see if I can get some of the dirt off of it, clean it up before I put it all back together. So let's move this sucker. See if we can drag it outside here. Probably won't be able to see much because it's dark. But I'll show you before, since you really can't see. And I'm just gonna do this with a water hose. I'll get a better video of this maybe tomorrow. You'll just see the difference in future videos. But as you can see, it's pretty dirty now. So I'm just gonna spray it down as much as I can and see what I can clean off of it for now. So yeah, the old crank is out. Bearings are out. Got my new oil pump right here. My bearings are somewhere in this garage. They're here somewhere. I'm just gonna get it cleaned up and throw the bearings in and slap it back together. All right. Thanks for watching.